Have you been wanting to take your cooking to the next level? Want to learn techniques chefs use to make incredible food? If you love seeing people smile around the table because of something you made, you're in the right place. I'm Chef Billy Parisi, and food has been in my life forever. My parents met working in a restaurant. My dad was a cook, my mom was a waitress, so I guess you could say this was meant to be. My Sicilian grandparents believed food was love, family, and community, and that shaped everything about who I am today. I started working in the kitchens when I was 13 and definitely had my fair share of Anthony Bourdain kitchen confidential moments. And I fell in love with the chaos and the craft. After culinary school, I spent 15 years in fine dining, mastering the fundamentals that chefs use every single day. On this channel, I'll teach you everything you need to know. How to braise, bake, saute, grill, all the skills that give you confidence in the kitchen. We'll make incredible beef recipes, fresh bread, desserts, seafood, and dishes from all over the world. I'll share pro tips, a little food history, some family moments, some laughs, and behind the scenes from my new restaurant journey. Because great food isn't just about taste, it's about connection. It brings people together, sparks conversations, and creates memories that last a lifetime. New videos drop every Friday at 10 a.m. Central, so if you're ready to be the best cook you can be, hit subscribe and let's get cooking.